Daddy? Daddy, have you seen my daddy? I wonder what he's up to now. Daddy? 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 People usually bath in the mornings, and you are near a dustbin. Does that make sense to you?
I will go for bath after my dustbin trip. But first you tell me, baby angel, what did teacher teach you yesterday?
I learned about chocolate.
Chocolate?
I don't like chocolate. There, I said it. What good is chocolate anyway? It just melts in your mouth. And if you're wondering, have I tried chocolate, you ask? No, I have not. And I will not, even if you pay me $5 or 10, but maybe 15. Fine, I'll eat this chocolate if you pay me $20.
Bus now you go for bath.
Daddy, can we buy a Christmas tree this year?
Why to buy when we can find it in the garbage? There are so many people who waste their Christmas decorations where they can recycle it.
Recycle?
Recycle! Recycle means using your old stuff to make something new.
So then when should we start our search, Daddy?
Now!
Oh wow, I'm so excited.
My dear baby angel, you just relax, you study. Because I want you to become a big person. And you don't worry about the old Christmas tree because your daddy is here. And I can do anything for you.
Daddy, did you find a Christmas tree?
Not the tree, but the lights are here. And we'll find the Christmas tree because I'm not going to give up on my daughter's Christmas list.
But you look so tired. Do you think if I come with you tomorrow, you'll get it?
Of course yes, baby. If you put love in any task, what is impossible?
But since we are so poor, do you think you'll get it? Oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree, how lovely are your branches.
Oh, Christmas tree, how lovely are your branches.
Not only green when summer's here, but in the cold this time of year. Oh, Christmas tree, how lovely are your branches. Oh, Christmas tree, Christmas tree. How lovely are your branches.
Left, right, left, left, right. Madam, yeah. Left, right, left, right, left, right.
Daddy, is there something in the nala?
Looks like plastic.
Why do people throw plastic in the nala? Don't they have dustbins?
That's our society, Angel. We should be the example and save Mother Earth. Let me go down. Have a look, okay?
Daddy, be careful.
No, you be here. Let me go down. Let me go
Okay.
down.
What a brave daddy. He does so much for me.
We'll keep trying, Angel. Don't worry, we'll keep trying.
Michelle, just wait. Michelle?
Daddy, see! Christmas tree!
We already have last year's Christmas tree. Why do you want a new one?
Mom, now you get nice beautiful Christmas trees with lights. I want one of those and not this old-fashioned one.
But what's wrong with this? It's as good as new. I just don't understand.
Mom, don't you get it? I just want a new one. That's it.
Michael, please take this tree. Give it to your children for Christmas this year.
Thank you, ma'am.
Daddy, think Mass is just over? We might find some people who will help us with some more decorations.
I don't think so, baby. But if you say, let's try. But you know what? You just wait here, okay? You will not move, okay? You wait here. I will come, okay? Huh?
Okay.
Sir, please give me your old decoration, sir, if you have, please.
I don't have. What do you want?
I'm
No, what do you want?
Sir.
No,
I
move and don't touch me, come on.
I'm in need of some
No,
old-
move.
Any condition will do,
No,
sir.
no,
Any
come on, move.
condition will do. It's okay, Angel. It's not our fault. Poor people are always judged.
It's okay, Daddy. I see that you don't have to search anymore.
But baby, I'm feeling sad that I'm not able to find your Christmas tree.
Let's go home.
You go home. I'll come in sometime.
Why should I accept this old Christmas tree when I can buy a new one for my kids?
Christmas is here, Angel. Let's celebrate. Let's build a small manger.
But Daddy, we have to wait for another year to find statues for the manger.
We can build a manger in our heart.
A manger in our heart?
Yes, by talking good about others, helping others, baby Jesus will be born every day in your heart.
Oh wow!
Merry Christmas, Angel.
Merry Christmas, Daddy. Thank you so much for all that you do for me.
That's the spirit of Christmas. Makes you give love. Makes you feel love. After all, love is patient and kind. Love is everything. Baby Angel, remember this all your life. Grow with people you love. Love teaches you to be kind and patient. God was patient with us. He sent His only Son to be born in the least of all places, a manger. Angel, do you have a manger in your heart?
बाल सेट है क्या दिख रहा है क्या मस्त रोलिंग रोल अरे बोलने का ना रोलिंग This is Theatre Ministry News Channel and I am here outside the old Christmas tree factory. As you can see, a few girls are learning some Christmas carols on the flute. I am eagerly waiting to speak with the owner, Angel. She will tell us everything you need to know about the factory.
Hey,
Hello, Angel.
hi.
Over to you.
Thank you. The old Christmas tree. It's the symbol of my father's love. It reminds me of the days I struggled with my father. Recycling old Christmas decorations was the only goal I had back then. But I made sure I was happy, serving the needy. My father struggled to get me a Christmas tree, but he never once was bitter about the fact that he couldn't afford one. He did everything with love. Now, this love that is not jealous or irritable, it never gives up. In fact, it teaches you patience. God the Father sent His only Son to be born in a lowly manger. So I'd like to ask you a question my father asked me one Christmas night. Do you have a manger in your heart?